Hey, what's up everybody? It's Bakon, aka the Cut Coach. And today I want to share with you some cool tips and tricks that I like to use when doing undercuts and designs. A wonderful tool called Blade Slip makes my life easier and make me glide through the process. Check it out. This is one of my regular clients, Maddie. I start off by cutting the area down with a number 2 guard. This lengths get the bulk out of the way and leaves the hair long enough for detailing and shadowing. I then take my T-outliner clipper and start creating the basic lines. Using the corner of the blades, act like a pencil as I draw the foundation of my abstract art. I switch my body position or the client's head when necessary to get the right angles to make rounded shapes or sharp angles. Sometimes I create a sharp hairline for effect and to create a clear visual of the space I have to create. Turning the trimmer around to cut both sides of a line gives a cleaner cut. You may have to work on your dexterity, but once you got it, it makes every line cleaner. I begin to use my adjustable clipper to create shadow and contrast and make my designs pop. Keeping in mind the overall look, I use guards and no guards to create abstract movement and fades throughout the design. Next up is Blade Slip Detailing Cream. It goes on clear and acts as a barrier to protect the skin from blade irritation. The slip and slide you get allows you to make clean details and sharp lines. Barley seed extract helps fight razor bumps, and the citrus agave scent is very pleasant. I can see my lines develop and pop with ease as I move through the process quickly. You want to move your blade just to the point of resistance so that you don't remove parts of your designs. We just want to do this to clean it up really. I finish it all off with Skin Tonic that gives it a nice, refreshing, and clean finish. So there you go. Those are some of the tools that I like to use when creating a design, either simple or more elaborate sometimes. But a tool like Blade Slip makes my life easier, cuts down on irritation, and allows me to make nice sharp lines. Yo, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more great tips and tricks from the wonderful people at John Paul Mitchell Systems. Have a wonderful day.